first one. First aid kit? What do I need it? I don't know. Let's see. Wow, there's so many pills and instruments. While you're thinking, let's check out what I have. Oh, it's definitely a chocolate one. Here's a thermometer. Looks like a real thing. It's definitely not real. Ooh, what is this? Wow, it's so tasty. I want to try it too. Oh, it's not chocolatey. You're definitely out of luck, Chris. I even have Band-Aids. Wow, and they're edible. Really? What about me? No, it's not chocolatey. Wow, a stethoscope. Oh, so delicious. Great. You actually ate the entire thing. Of course I did. Moving on to the case itself. Oh, yum!